In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Mailchimp signup form in Blogger. By the end, you'll have a clean, working email signup box on your blog connected directly to your Mailchimp audience. All you'll need is access to your Mailchimp account and your Blogger dashboard. Start by heading to Mailchimp and signing in. On the main dashboard, look for the Create button. This is where Mailchimp keeps all the tools for building campaigns and assets. Click Create, then choose Signup Form. You'll see a few different form types. Pick Embedded Form. Embedded forms are perfect for Blogger because they generate a small snippet of HTML you can place anywhere in your layout. You'll be prompted to name your embedded form. Click into the name field, give it a clear label you'll recognize later, something like Blog Sidebar Signup, and then click Begin. Naming doesn't affect what your visitors see, it's just to help you identify this form inside Mailchimp. Next, you'll land in the form editor. Open the Form Fields section to control which fields appear. Toggle on the fields you want to collect, such as first name or last name, in addition to email. A quick tip here, keep it simple. The fewer fields you ask for, the higher your conversion rate tends to be. Most creators start with just the email field and optionally first name for personalization. If you need a field to be mandatory, make sure it's marked as required in Mailchimp so you collect consistent data. Also, ensure your fields match the data you've set up for your audience in Mailchimp so everything maps correctly. Once you're happy with the fields and the basic look, click Continue. Mailchimp will show you the embed code for the form. Click Copy Code to put the HTML on your clipboard. Don't worry if the code looks intimidating. You won't need to edit it. You'll paste it directly into Blogger and it will just work. Now switch over to your Blogger dashboard. From the left sidebar, open Layout. This area controls the structure of your blog: header, sidebar, footer, and main content sections. Find the area where you want the sign-up form to appear. In most themes, the sidebar or the page body are common choices. Click. Add a gadget in that section. In the gadget list, choose HTML/JavaScript. This gadget lets you insert custom code. In the gadget window, give your form a title, such as Subscribe for Updates. This title appears above the form on your blog and helps visitors understand what it's for. Then, in the large content box, paste the embed code you copied from Mailchimp. Click Save. Back on the layout screen, you'll see your new gadget in the section you added it to. If you want to reposition it, simply drag the widget to the exact spot you prefer, such as higher in the sidebar or into the page body. Placement matters. Put it somewhere visible, ideally above the fold or near related content, so visitors notice it. To check your work, click the eye icon to open a preview of your blog. You should now see the sign-up form rendered in place. Test the layout on desktop and mobile views. Embedded forms are generally responsive, but every theme is different. If you want to fine-tune spacing or fonts later, you can adjust your theme styles, but that's optional and not required for the form to function. That's it. You've created an embedded sign-up form in Mailchimp, copied the code, added it to Blogger via an HTML JavaScript gadget, saved it, positioned it where you want, and previewed the result. From here, any new subscribers will flow straight into your Mailchimp audience, ready for newsletters or automations you've already set up.